Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
We don't see the far side because the moon is tidally locked to the Earth, said John Keller, deputy project scientist for NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter project. If the moon were a perfect sphere, then the gravity felt on the far side and the near side, or Earth's side, would cancel each other out. 7 August 2015.
Take our lead.
The remaining 82% remained unobserved until 1959, when it was photographed by the Soviet Luna 3 space probe. The Soviet Academy of Sciences published the first atlas of the far side in 1960. The Apollo 8 astronauts were the first humans to see the far side in person when they orbited the moon in 1968.
Make your mark, take our lead.
No, everyone sees the same phases of the moon. People north and south of the equator do see the moon's current phase from different angles, though. If you traveled to the other hemisphere, the moon would be in the same phase as it is at home, but it would appear upside down compared to what you're used to.
Take our lead.
As the Earth is much larger than the moon's rotation is slowed down until it reaches a balance point. As this NASA animation shows, right? This means that the same portion of the moon always faces towards the Earth, and we can never see the far side. 7 October 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.